morning. I am Reggie, Associate Professor, Department of ECE. Today we are going to see about developing application through IoT tools. Developing application through IoT tools. On completion, students will be able to understand what are the IoT tools and the list of tools available for IoT, that is to connect it to cloud. Developing application through IoT tools. First is Eclipse IoT. As an IoT developer, if you are intended to build IoT device, cloud platform and gateway, then Eclipse IoT can be your choice. Acknowledged as a collaborative of numerous companies and individuals who are striving towards the development and demonstration of IoT open technology, Eclipse IoT can make all your IoT desires come true. Empowering you to improve, promote and adapt open source IoT technology. Eclipse IoT is an instrument that can assist you to gain technical expertise. Just look into a huge assembly of service and outline delivered by the Eclipse team and you are incorporated. Node-RED. Node-RED is an uncomplicated open source visualization tool for the combination of device for the Internet of Things. The tool developed by IBM Emerging Technology Department enable you to link hardware and API or online service. Node-RED renders a user-friendly interface for a developer to connect device sufficiently and swiftly. Node-RED is developed on Node, a server-side JavaScript platform extensively used in IoT projects and also can be operated in the cloud. Node-RED could be applied, for example, for the creation of the chat application using the Bluemix environment, the IBM cloud platform to develop, manage and execute application of all kinds. Arduino. If you are looking to build a computer that can sense and execute a better command over the real world when associated with your normal standalone computer, Arduino can be used as smart choice. Offering a comprehensive mixture of IoT hardware and software, Arduino is an open source prototyping and simple to use IoT platform. Arduino runs through a set of hardware stipulation that can be implemented to interactive electronics. The software of Arduino appears in the form of Arduino programming language and integrated development board. Tessel. It is a hardware provider that can be utilized to build fundamental IoT solution and prototype. Tessel tool lend a helping hand through its conspicuous sensor and module. This is a board which can handle up to dozen module including the RFID, camera, GPS and accelerometer. All the Java developers who are expert with Node.js can utilize this device as Tessel and processed through Node.js. This way Tessel can be managed to chart out the hoist of server and hardware from IoT solution. Marked a robust IoT platform, you can leverage all the libraries of Node.js to reveal a host of device within a consent of minutes. It occurs with the two processor. The Tessel hardware make use of 580 MB media disk and 47 MHz Atmel Sandy coprocessor. Kinomo Create. It is a device which can join two devices without widespread knowledge of JavaScript. Kimono Create comprises of everything which can be necessary for growing small IoT application like connecting light, temperature or movement sensor for a special purpose with mobile notification in case of any modification. It can be extremely used for developing a synthesizer, a camera trap. We take a photo if a object disturbs the laser beam and a programmed alarm signal for warning individual in case of circumferences. Open SCADA. The tool is the portion of SCADA project by Eclipse IoT Industry Group. It is independent of any platform and known as security and extensively along with the contemporary design. Open SCADA also managed to edit and debug appears with front-end application, back-end application libraries, configuring tools and interface application. A diverse tool can be consolidated with the evolution of high-level IoT application. Unlike other IDE, Open SCADA support several programming language and consists of sub-projects like Altinus, Utgrad, Orilla and so on. Raspberry, the IoT IDE designed for Raspberry Pi board by IoT enthusiasts. With over 35,000 package and various example accompanying accelerated installation with the use of combined software make use of essential IoT development tool. Frequently it is considered as an excellent tool for Raspberry Pi for IoT app development. Another best part regarding this tool is that below constant development and has extended the reach for computing so that user can obtain supreme benefit. Device Hive. Device Hive was launched in the year 2012, which is free open source machine-to-machine communication framework. It is recognized as one of the top favorite IoT application development platform. It is usually a cloud-based API that can manage remotely with a lack of network configuration. The same implies to the library, gateway, and administrative protocol. Often it is used as security, automation, smart home tech, and sensor. Additionally, it is called a dynamical committee and online resources available to help out. Platform IO, succeeding in a list of top IO development tools and platform in Platform IO, which is a cross-platform IoT development environment. This platform comes with a build system held by the library manager and IDE. You have the option to port the IDE on the head of Atom editor, or you can use forward and install into a plugin. The best portion of Platform IO is compatible with more than 200 boards. Coming with an excellent debugging combination, Platform IoT is important of a serial port monitor. All those who are applying Platform IO consistently reveal one feeling, that is Platform IO speed up the development process of the IoT application, equipping us to deliver IoT solution in record time. IBM Watson, last in the list of top IoT development tool, but surely not the least in IBM Watson, a API that enable you to append a host of cognitive computing highlight to your IoT application. This is an innovative tool that can further be applied to predict the future, interpreting the task of IoT or IBM Watson through its infinite service to reveal the original language. These chatbots can later be extended onto messaging platform and website, which is observed on several devices. It is by the IBM Watson that IoT developer can successfully and quickly build cognitive research and content analytics engine. Benefit: we live in an internet era. We can get everything and anything we require. This is where the Internet of Things come in picture. It has the capacity to combine different devices all currently, which can make human lives much easier. Because of this, exponential growth in IoT days is recognized, making an indispensable technology of the future. By these innovative tools, developers and all those who fascinating IoT can stay ahead of their times by growing a contributing part of the latest technology standard shift. So from this, there are some part of the assignment question. Dash is the tool, a portion of SCADA project by Eclipse IoT Industry Group. Second, Dash is the hardware provider that can be utilized to build a fundamental IoT solution and prototype. From this, we can understand that what are the application tools developed for or IoT application. So most of the cases this can be used in various application. Thank you.